Hello and welcome to Best Car Fixes. If you notice here, we have a lot of codes in this car, and all the dashboard is on. 2022, even the lane keep assist, LKA, collision mitigation. All these lights are on because of only one problem. You see here on the integrated drive support system, we have a code here, C0031-62. It says that the left wheel speed sensor signal is not received, and that's why, because of this one, everything is a stop. You see the second failure here on ABS. He said that this DTC has been set as a result of another failure. Please begin troubleshooting other DTC first. After completing the troubleshooting process and repair, please clear this DTC when appropriate. VSA, ECU malfunction, camera unit malfunction, radar unit malfunction. It will disable all this stuff. So before you go crazy, please try to fix this problem first. This code here on the left front wheel speed sensor. That's why this problem is happening.